Hello, thank you for choosing my video. In this video, I'm trying to repair this inexpensive vintage citizen. I bought this for about $20. I don't know how old it is. Maybe made in the late 1960s or early 1970s. This is a running watch. The calendar also works. Only the problem is around the stem or the setting lever. We need to address this problem. I'm disassembling the watch. This is a Citizen 8210 movement. This is a long seller movement. My one may be the early version of the movement. This movement has been used in many low-end mechanical watches because I think it's low priced. Let's see why they can provide this movement low price. All parts are functional, but obviously they are not high-end finished. This has a unique date quick set system. Only 3 parts. These 2 springs and the winding pinion are used to change the date disc. I think reducing the number of parts is effort to reduce the cost. Before disassembling the keyless wax, I disassembled the other side first. There is nothing special around the balance and the pallet fork. But the others are different from typical mechanical movements. This plate covers all wheels, including wheels for the automatic winding system and manual winding system. This is a unidirectional automatic winding system. This is less efficient than a bidirectional automatic, but also the number of parts is less. That will be good for cost savings. These are the manual winding system. No screws are used here. And this is the ratchet wheel and barrel. Everything is assembled with minimum screws. And I removed the click. That's all for this side. This is the last parts to be disassembled. The keyless works. This set lever is press fitted to the stem. The winding pinion has wing for date quick set. Okay, I finished disassembling. The next step is cleaning. We need to clean the jewels deeply to remove all oil with dust. Look at this. I'm using a wood stick to polish jewels. I also disassembled the balance spring jewels. This is the top side, and I also did the same on the other side. This is the last step of my cleaning process. I put all mechanical parts in benzene to clean with an ultrasonic cleaner. Now all parts are cleaned, so let's start assembling. I'm assembling the spring gel. Honestly speaking, this is not a good watch for collection purpose. There are a lot of better watches in the world for the purpose. I bought this to practice watchmaking like this process. Even I failed, I don't mind because this is cheap watch and I can find replacement easily. Fortunately, I didn't break anything of this watch. I'm assembling the keyless works. I made a small mistake here. I just set the setting lever onto the place, but it should be pressed strongly. Otherwise, the setting lever doesn't work well. I think that was why the stem got off when I pulled the stem. This is what I mentioned. This is bad, and it should be like this. Can you see the difference? I pressed the part strongly. Now the problem is solved. So what I need to do is just assembling other parts carefully. This movement doesn't have so many parts, but less parts doesn't mean easy to assemble. I'll show you the why. I'm putting the bridge plate. This is the challenge because we need to align all wheels eventually. I don't remember how many wheels are under this plate, but I struggled to align all the pivots. Maybe I took almost 1 hour just to place this bridge. Somehow replacing this pallet fork was another challenge on this watch. I did this many times until the pallet fork can turn smoothly. This is the last part of this side. The watch starts itself. This is a good sign. And I can say I did it. Because the dial side is not so complicated. I'm placing all parts as they were. This date quickset is a genius design, but not tinkerer friendly. I struggled to handle these jumpy springs. I finished assembling the movement. So it's time to assemble a watch. I'm setting the dial with screws. Then set the time at the midnight and placing the hour hand, minute hand, and the second hand. Yes, it's perfect for me. I didn't touch the case and glass. I just cleaned them with a ultrasonic cleaner. This watch case is a cheap nickel plated one, so I cannot do anything other than cleaning. This is the finished product. Now everything is fine. This is ticking time precisely, and the date is changed as expected. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your likes and comments. See you in the next video. Bye.